Here we go for my first ever time on Tom Matthews Skyfall. I hate the fact that there's no jingles or anything. Oh God, I'm not ready for this. Oh my goodness, I am so nervous. They even want to give us a countdown or anything? No. Oh God. Oh no. Look at that, that is ridiculous. That is actually no. All my life. Oh dear God. I think we're only at the halfway point, and yeah, this is not okay. Please, no. I can't do this. Why did I do this? Actually, why am I doing this? We're only halfway. Oh God. Oh no. Please. Hold off. Shit. Oh, I'm still going. Oh, I feel my legs. We're taller than Bush to Max now. And I think we're here. Oh my goodness. That is a long way down. God. Any second. No. I know, dear. Just drop us already, please. And we'll point the camera down for the rest of us. So you can admire the lovely view whilst I get ready for this. At least it's a nice view. I think that's the only thing I've been looking forward for this ride is the view. Oh no. At least we'll get kind of a warning because it goes up before it drops. This is really actually, why do I do these stuff? Actually, Jenny, why do I do this? I am actually terrified. I can't do this. Oh no, 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 no! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! That was amazing. Yeah. Well, that was my first ever time on Skyfall, and definitely not my last.